Germarel outdoor container diesel generator solutions. As you can see, this is our diesel generator in a 20 feet CSC certificated. It's a special transportable sea container, which is not standard 20 feet, it's high cube 20 feet. We have produced for our clients' exact need with high quality doors, anti-rust and anti-water protected, internal diesel generator room with Volvo motor and with military alternator, with a special 2000 liter tank with a special heating and controller inside. And as you see internally, we have done special and high quality design. So you can see here the controller board for the diesel generator. And this is the second room, as our client's request, an electrical room with a special voltage stabilizer. With the 150 kVA stabilizer is connected during the normal operation time to stabilize voltage, to get the hospital equipment perfect. This solution has been produced for our Japanese client for their African hospital projects. As you can see here, electrical distribution board and automatic transfer switch for the usage of generator or voltage stabilizer. You can see the controller board of the diesel generator. High quality and perfect design internally also. So we design any kind of diesel generator till 5000 kVA with any kind of diesel motor that our clients wants. As you can see backside, air circulation input against anti
Set the control panel in auto mode.
protection.
When there is no mains voltage, generator starts automatically.
as Germarel GmbH, we produce any kind of diesel generator for our clients all around the world in any kind of container with any kind of diesel motor with our special alternator that we produce the alternator for military standards. As you can see, with 2 doors and perfect designed and can transportable via seaway all around the world. So anytime you need more information from us, please send us email sales@germarel.de. So simple. So easy to transport with a perfect design for diesel generators and electrical rooms.